Alright, today I'm going to review these angled valve stems for tires or rims. I bought these valve stems, the angled valve stems for motorcycle track days, and just to make it easier to check tire pressure when I was at a track day or anytime, even when I was street riding. The angle makes it really convenient to actually check your pressure. And one thing that it does is when you check your pressure, like at an angle, it's much easier. A lot of times when they have the straight stems, you're trying to reach up this way to check your pressure, and it makes it difficult to actually get it on there. And especially on the front where the rotors are, this distance is much tighter, and sometimes the way the spokes are here, it's actually hard to check these. So yeah, I highly recommend this if you have a motorcycle, especially just to make it easier to check this pressure.